Another source of traffic that you can use is Reddit, which is also known as the first page of the internet, just because of the amount of traffic that this website gets, especially on the front page of this website. So if you are able to get your ads or links shown here on the first page of Reddit, you're going to get a large amount of traffic. Of course, it's easier said than done. Now, if you're not familiar with Reddit, it's a page where people post all types of things. It could be articles, of videos, images, it could be almost anything. And basically, the more upvotes you get, the higher your listing will show up on their site. So it's incredibly hard to show up on the first page of Reddit. So what I recommend you do is to focus on subreddits. And a subreddit is a section on Reddit which is focused on a certain type of topic. So basically you could focus on different niches here, and there are several, I don't know exactly how many, there are probably dozens or even hundreds of subreddits. So I'm on the home page here of Reddit, and you could just go to my subreddits if you're logged in. You could click on any of these links here. You could do a search. You could also go to more. So let's just click on that, and you could do a search for almost anything. Let's just say search for six-pack abs. Okay, so you could find subreddits that are focused on fitness. One thing that's worth noting is that people that use Reddit do not like marketers, and they do not like being sold to or being advertised to. So if they think that you are trying to advertise something, you will get called out for it. Okay, so don't make it obvious that you're advertising your videos or you're trying to sell something to the people on Reddit. Also, make sure to read their guidelines before you start using their site. And I believe each subreddit has their own set of guidelines as well. So before you start posting your links that promote your YouTube channel, I recommend that you post other content on there that adds value to the community and that's not really selling anything or even promoting your business, just so people know that you're there to add value and you're making good contributions to the community. And of course, it's also a great way for you to get familiar with the site and how things work.